Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm doing a meal prep. I'm doing some fried catfish. I call it my naked catfish because it only has seasoning on it, no almond flour or any of that. And I'm cooking up some spinach with butter and some fried chicken. I already cooked like a pot of greens for this cookout we're going to tomorrow, so that's already ready to go. So this is what I'm doing in this meal prep, okay? Right now I'm cooking some frozen spinach. I have 3 tablespoons of butter in this pan. Now I'm gonna grate some nutmeg over the pan. This is the whole nutmeg. It smells so good. Okay, that should be enough in this pan. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a little cream to this. I'm frying up some naked catfish. I'm going to show you the seasoning that I just added to it a few minutes ago. Here's the catfish here. I just added salt and pepper and some sumac to the fish. It has like a sour taste to it, almost like lemon pepper, something like that. Okay, I'm gonna turn the eye off and then add cream, a little cream to the spinach. And I have to add some salt as well. Let me add the salt. That's about a teaspoon of salt. Okay, and the spinach is ready. 1 piece of the fish is ready. So some real simple recipes. Add some salt to the back of this fish. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and place both of them in there. They're small pieces. And this is how I fry my catfish or fish whenever I'm cooking now. I don't even try to use the almond flour or any of that. It tastes just great. Okay. Notice my oil is kind of brown, but it's from the sumac that I added in there. And turns it a little dark, but it comes out very crispy. I'll turn it over so you can see it. See how crispy it is? It doesn't really need the almond flour or anything. Just put your regular seasoning on it. Forget the flour or whatever you cook it in. You don't have to worry about those extra carbs from the almond flour, which is not much at all. I'm also gonna fry up a chicken breast. I got it coated with salt and pepper and some sumac as well. Okay. I'm gonna let you see everything after. You won't hear any of those sounds coming from the fryer when they are ready to come out. I cooked a pot of greens for tomorrow. The white you see there is I just added some butter to it, 2 tablespoons of butter. So they are really tasty and good. This is for a cookout we're going to tomorrow, so we'll go ahead and put them in the refrigerator for tomorrow. If you like this video, like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel, Betty's Cooking Channel. This is a very good, easy keto meal.